Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Rizon, a new stablecoin app that lets you spend USDC and USDT like regular money with a Visa card. Launched in August 2025, it claims self-custody and no hidden fees. But with stablecoins now being used in 70% of crypto scams, is Rizon legit or risky? Let's break it down. So Rizon is a legitimate stablecoin app launched in 2025 by Lithuanian entrepreneurs, available in 110 countries, both in iOS and Android. It lets you deposit USDC and USDT, then spend them anywhere Visa is accepted using virtual or physical cards. The killer feature is true self-custody. Your funds stay in a smart contract that only you control through Face ID and biometrics. The app partners with major players: Privy for wallet infrastructure, Rain for card issuance, Visa for merchant acceptance, and Circle, USDC issuer, for trusted stablecoins. Setup takes 2 minutes with quick KYC, and you can deposit from Solana, Arbitrum, Base, Polygon, and other networks. But is it legit? Yes, Rizon is a real functioning app. It's properly registered as Rizon Technologies UAB in Lithuania, has legitimate partnerships, and users report it works as advertised. The non-custodial architecture means even Rizon can access your funds, which is a major security advantage over centralized exchanges. However, Google Play reviews show divided opinions. Some users are genuinely impressed, calling it smooth, reliable, and secure, with excellent simplicity and speed for managing stablecoins. However, complaints exist about terrible customer support and extremely high fees for non-USD transactions. The 1.5% foreign exchange fee on non-USD spending adds up quickly if you're using it internationally. ATM withdrawals cost 2% plus $3 per transaction, with a daily limit of only $250. These fees aren't terrible compared to traditional banking, but they are worth knowing upfront. However, unlike sketchy crypto apps, Rizon has verifiable partnerships, transparent company registration, available team information, operates on official app stores, not shady third-party sites, and offers genuine self-custody where you can control your keys. The fact that it launched with legitimate backing from Visa, Circle, and other established players suggests it's not a fly-by-night operation. So who is this for? Rizon is ideal for crypto natives who already hold stablecoins and want to spend them without off-ramping to banks, digital nomads needing borderless spending, freelancers receiving crypto payments, and people sending international remittances with lower fees than traditional services. However, if you're new to crypto, the learning curve is steep. You need to understand wallet, security, blockchain, networks, and the responsibility of self-custody. The final verdict? Rizon app is legit, but with caveats. If you're already crypto savvy, hold stablecoins, and value self-custody, Rizon offers genuine utility. The partnerships with Visa, Circle, and established fintech companies suggest legitimacy. Just understand the fees, manage your wallet security properly, and start with small amounts to test the service. It's not recommended for crypto beginners or those expecting traditional banking customer service. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.